Today with 2016 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, fog lights, security system, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.